to protect the micro minority.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Afenyo Marken, who happens to be the minority leader and the leader of MPP caucus in Parliament, promised that it was not going to be business as usual, that the Afenyo Marken we knew as a majority leader was not going to be the same gentle Afenyo Marken in minority, and that they were not going to allow, say, NDC will bully them with their neighbors in Parliament. Truly to his word, it has started, and there is heat in Parliament, and it is a kind of heat that we, the grassroots of MPP, have been yearning to see. We don't want it to allow NDC with their military background or whatever dictatorship background and mindset to bully any elephant belonging person. And Afenyo Marken is leading this charge in Parliament so beautifully. Today, Afenyo Marken has forced the Speaker of Parliament to consider that he will never ever again use the word micro minority in Parliament. And this is the way to go. This is indeed the way to go. Kudos to Honorable Afenyo Marken. Kudos to the minority chief whip, who is Anodompre of Nusawam. And we want to see more and more of this from them. These are the kind of leadership we expect from MPP. We want to bulldoze our way through because that is what the elephant is known for.
We find this unacceptable. Mr. Speaker, we seconded, the minority seconded your proposal and the motion for your election. Mr. Speaker, when the so-called majority was even conspiring against you, we protested. We stopped them from that conspiracy. Mr. Speaker, it was us, the minority of conscience. This minority is the conscience of this house. Today, the so-called majority could not get its members to come to the house. 61 of you are absent. Mr. Speaker, we don't accept the description micro minority. We are minority. Simplicity. Mr. Speaker, please, kindly, Mr. Speaker, describe us as such. We are the minority. We are not micro minority. I so submit.
Honorable members, this is not subject to debate. Please, this is not subject to debate.
Mr. Speaker, you know, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I know you miss your days. You miss your days as a member of Parliament.
Honorable members, the objection is to the fact that it should not be formally so recognized by the records of Parliament. I agree with you. And so it should not be used by the Speaker, but it can be used by the leaders.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, we are getting the impression, Mr. Speaker, the minority caucus is getting the impression that Mr. Speaker may be assisting the majority. Mr. Speaker, because you seem to be doing their debate for them. We are the official minority. There can't be any other description. And it shouldn't be used by anybody on the floor of this house. You cannot even use that term. It's not only Mr. Speaker. You can't use that term, micro minority. From today, nobody should ever use that term in this house. Nobody should use that term in this house.
Honorable members, the minority leader is saying that I should not protect them. Is that what I'm to?
Mr. Speaker, we protected you. We protected you. We protected you. When they were conspiring, we protected you. So protect us. We are the minority. We protected you. In fact, but for us, you wouldn't be the speaker. Yes. It's because of our protection. That is why the president-elect had to issue a statement. Yes. We protected Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members, please. Let me just hear from you, so that I'll not.
Kwame. So Kwame, are you telling me to sit down? Can you tell me to sit down? Joke. Speaker, you can't tell me to sit down. In this house, the rules that we use. You can't tell me to sit down. Get the attention of the speaker. Mr. Speaker, I thank you for recognizing me. First of all, the order my colleague quoted, and if you read further, order 1, 2, 3, if you read further, subclause 3, the inherent condition is stated there. It will lie in the mouth of the speaker to determine if indeed those words were used. I hope you recognize that. Then again, going beyond that, Speaker, going beyond that, I am 4th term in this house. This, would you listen to me? Would you listen? Speaker, would you listen to me? Speaker, 4th term in this house. This is the first time. This is the first time, and I'm saying this in context. If you pay attention, you get the context in which I'm speaking to. This is the first time President-elect has to issue a statement, more or less whipping you to nominate the president, to nominate speaker for the position of speakership. Why? And that's very revealing. It was because there were things happening at your backyard, and the president-elect picked the due intelligence. That is why he had to come out with that statement. This has never happened. So for the leader to say that all was not well at your back, the evidence is all over. And in fact, it took the minority, it took the support and the consent of the minority for us to elect the speaker. Mr. Speaker, if there is on both sides, Speaker, on both sides, if there is any side that you should be careful, it's the majority. You should be very careful of the majority. They were the people who were planning for you not to be elected. So please, don't miss the point.
Elephants make way. That is what they do. We know how to bulldoze our way through the wilderness. Anywhere the elephant is, they make way. They don't allow them. So even when lions see elephants, they run. So how much more people who hold umbrella? If a lion is running away from elephant, now will be our umbrella moody lion bay. So kudos to Afenyo Malkin, and then also kudos to the leadership in Parliament for conceding to this. This is just one of several victories that MPP, though we do not have the majority in Parliament, will be chalking in the next 4 years ahead of us. Just believe it and keep praying for leadership of MPP. Thank you so much. This has been your favorite political rant right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.